back to work. Back to work. I got my stream going. Hi, everybody on the stream. I just figured I don't like stream when I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm working on this Jira. The LTI web portlet has a null pointer exception when manually placed in a site without being pre-configured. It has to do with a use case that we never really use much, and it's turning out to be a useful use case. And so it's not like there's an actual break in Sakai. It's a break in a tool if you use it in a way that we didn't anticipate using it. And so I want that unanticipated way of using it. Oh, hey, let's go ahead and put a Sakai hat on for yucks. The unanticipated way of using it is going to turn out to be useful in the project that I'm calling Sakai Plus. So I'm just coding. Let's see, it just recompiled. There's an NPE, so we're recompiled. Let's refresh it. Let's see what's happening. Select a tool. Yay, that's what I wanted to see. And then I want to just do this with that, and it says none. Yeah, so here I'm streaming after I got it all figured out. So let's just go here. Okay, so let's go back into the controller code. Where in the heck is my controller code? Oh, that's not even the tool I want to be in. I don't need that anymore. I don't need that anymore. I don't even need that anymore. But I may need that. And I may need this. Okay. So here I am. I am in the process action edit at this point, and I've got a tool ID. So I gotta get a long. I gotta turn that into a long somewhere. And this dang long parse long, I hate that. Do I have some code somewhere? I don't know what I would have called it. I just wish there was a dang way in Java to get a long or a -1. Let's just ask Stack Overflow. Java string to long or -1 if error without exception. Just like, how can I convert a dang string to a long without a frickin' exception? Just tell me in -1. I do not want to do. Okay, so here we go. There are many ways. Long value of, new long. Long parse long. That probably sends an exception. I do not want a stinking exception. Yeah, I don't want a effing exception, idiots. Okay, back here. Parse long gives me an exception. String too long. Parse long. Number format exception. And that one throws an exception. Idiots. And it takes me back to C when it wasn't a dang integer. When if it was wrong, you got -1 back. Oh, don't tell me. Don't make me mad. String to long. No exception. I hate exceptions. Ooh, oh shoot, that's a stupid someone else's thing. Oh man, commons. I do wish commons. Right, idiots. Oh, I gotta put a damn exception in. Just I gotta put like 4 lines of crap. 4 lines of crap. Just 4 lines of crap. I hate putting 4 lines of crap in my code, just because like Java people are like, exceptions are so glorious. No, exceptions are stupid. Takes me back to wanting to do C sometimes. Java long. What the heck? Java string to positive long S1 if error. It's not going to work. Number utils. Okay, so do we have, that's what I want to do right there. That's what I frickin' want to do. Do we use number utils in Sakai? Please tell me we use number utils. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh, wait. Commons Lang 3 version. Commons Math 3. Wait. Ooh, Commons Math 3 version 361. Okay, what is it? Master. What tank am I looking for here? Master Palm. Oh, there we go. Ah, I'm already in that. Thank you, fellow Sakai people. Org Apache Commons Math 3. So I add this little bugger to my Palm. Add it to my Palm. I think that's all I gotta say. And then I import this. I'm having a happy day now. I don't have to write the code. And, well, let's see, Number two. Oh, yeah, that's the right thing. We shall see if I got everything matched up when I compile here. That would be nice. That would be so nice. So absolutely delightful. Hey, Alexi. You're welcome in the Python course. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Yeah, my goal in life is to get to the point where I can teach you some Java and actually teach you how to work in Sakai. That's my goal, is to get talented people from around the world working on Sakai as kind of a giant distributed internship, because I really want to help people not just learn, but get jobs. Okay, what did I do wrong? That POM is all messed up. What did I get wrong? Oh, yeah, that's what I got wrong. Forgot my dependency line. That looks good. Come on. Compiler up. And namaste. I think I know what that means. I think I'm doing that right. So, yeah. Well, now it doesn't work. Damn it. Oh, okay. Now it doesn't work. Commons math number. What am we looking at here? Okay. Let's go find this guy here. Org Apache Commons POM. I don't understand. Commons dash math 3. Oh no, that's the name of the. What is? Okay. So I'm like, what? What the heck jar am I getting here? So I got to go into my Tomcat. I don't know. Find dot minus name star math 3 star. Okay, so there's Commons Math 3 jar TF. What is the actual package inside this thing? TFV. Org Apache Commons Math 3. And I'm looking for number utils. I can't even type. Are you telling me number utils is not in there? What? Lang 3. Oh. Math 3. Whoa. Is this Lang? Is this? Oh, this is all the math crap. This is like. Oh, this is not what I'm looking for. Okay, so what do I need to put in my pom.xml for Org Apache Commons? Let's see what we got. Org Apache Commons Lang 3 Math 3. What the crap? Lang 3.math. When in doubt, grab the whole dang thing. Is it Commons? Are you kidding me? Commons lang 3. What? What? What?
Did you get my message?
Okay. So what is in Commons lang 3? Either I'm streaming, so... But you can talk. It's a really mellow stream.
I know, but I have to ask you a question.
Okay. Oh, come on. Let me answer your question.
I had bought a 3-paneled country picture for my office, which I didn't use and couldn't return.
Yeah.
And I was going to put it in the auction. Do you know if we still have it in the storage unit? It would be in a cardboard box. And a fairly big one.
Probably not.
Okay.
Oh, jar TFV. Now, let's see what we got. Do we got any math in here? Oh, right there. It's numbers util in Apache, and so it's in Commons lang 3. So I already got it. Whoa. Oh, Lord. What the heck? Oh, boy. Do I want to break everything by switching to Commons lang 3? Is that what I want? Oh boy, we'll see how well this works. Well, let's see, maybe I can import both of these. Why not? We'll see. Damn it. So we don't need math 3, that does us no good. Let's see what we get now. Okay, so I'm just adding Commons lang 3. See if it compiles. And it does compile. So that means that I got, after all that fussing, I get to have my nice little number utils. Exactly what I wanted. Parse long. Parse long. Too long. Too long, too long. Oh, sweet. They even give me a default value. I'd be loving it. Just like I hope that looks right. We can compile real quick to see what I got. I don't need that screen anymore. There's a separate thing. I'm going to pull out that old Apache Commons lang and see if I can see where that dependency is. What? What? Oh, too long. Too long. They're trying to not. They're trying not to end up with a namespace conflict with. Trying to end up with no namespace conflict. There we go. So let's run that code. That's a lot of fuss just to get the number from this drop down. You know what I'm saying? A lot of fuss. Okay, we're good. We're good. Let's go into edit mode. Pick a tool. This should parse to a 1. And then if we don't select anything, this should parse to a -1. Oh, and there we go. There we go. Small victories, small victories, small victories. Small victories. Okay, so we are... Okay, so let's figure out how damn errors make, how errors come out. How do I send an error to this thing? I'm in a JSR 168 portlet. Sash process. Log.error, log.error. Why don't I ever send... Why don't I ever send alert? Alert message. Sakai iframe. Alert message. Send alert. Add alert. Son of a gun. Add alert. So where am I? Too long. Okay, so let's just see if that add alert function does what it claims it does. First, we'll see if it compiles, and if it compiles, we'll see what it claims it does. Okay, what does it do? Reload. Oh, that didn't go so well. Let's reload it the hard way. Okay, let's watch the logs. And hit the button. Ho, 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 ho. I love it when a plan comes together. I love it when a plan comes together. Got myself an alert message. Always test error. Always test error paths first. Boop, ba-doop, 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 boop, boop. Return to do the real work. Damn. That is awesome. So there's some code from the patch. The routine that patches content item. Is I didn't write this code, so I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, I see what they're doing. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, that's not what I want. Wow. You know. I didn't write this code. Didn't write this code. Let's see who wrote this code. (2018). Got it. Man, lots of people help me on this. But that is a who's who of Sakai committers right there. Matt Bucket, Miguel, Sam. Yeah, those are smart folks. I think I know what they were trying to do here, and that is not what I want to do. So what I want to do is, I haven't edited anything up here, right? Nope. What I want to do is, I want to do basically what we're doing in this code right here. Tool links, create tool link right here. So this is content put. Gotta go find content put. Content put. Content put. Do content put. Do content put internal. Here we go. Okay, what's that ID? Oh no, that's an update. Insert tool content. Oops. Okay, let's go back to my insert tool content. What is the site ID? Where's the site ID? Don't I have the site ID here somewhere? What was that? What the crap? BI went crazy on me there. So what is that ID? How can that happen? How can that be? What the hell is insert code? String ID. What is the string ID? String tool ID. What the shit is the ID? So this is an insert or update, but I can make it be null. Tool ID, tool ID, tool ID, and that's got to be a string. It's got to be the string, and then we got the site ID. And what is the rec props? Oh, what is the rec props? Rec props is properties. So I'm going to give it no properties because that's my theory. My theory is it's going to work with no properties. This might even compile. It might even do what I want it to do. I might even have to mess it up so I can test it more than once. Oh no, this will work because I'm not actually saving it, so I can do this more than once, even though I'm going to mess up a bunch. Better get my database ready. So I can wipe some things out. Wipe them out. Content items. How many do I got? Yeah, okay, not too many. So new ones will come up down here. Near. I think this code might actually, I think this might be enough. I just don't know. I don't know if that's enough or not, but let's compile it. Let's run it. Let's see what happens. It should, because if you look over here, it's like inheriting all this stuff from, I think it's inheriting the required stuff like title and page title and all that stuff. I think it's inheriting it. So that's what I want. I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, so it's ID is null. I do not know why. Again, we could do a get blame on this code. Get blame. People work in this service code a lot. But this could be me, my fault. Insert content. So that's not bad. Insert content. Maybe that's the one I want. Maybe just want this insert content with new props. Maybe you just want to call insert content. Yeah, compiled. Let's take this one out. Oh, wait. What do we got? Oh, you can call insert content, but you've got to set the tool ID in the properties. But you know what? I think I'm not able to do that. Let's go ahead. Insert. Yeah, that wasn't written by me. So there you go. It wasn't written by me. It was tweaked in 2012 by a helpful person. But I can use it. I'll just use it. It's not that bad. I like the idea that no, let's use the other one. Let's do it the way I intended for it to work. That's how I intended to call that. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it compiles. That's how I intended that thing to be called. We're compiled and we're deployed. So this is the first time that I'm actually going to for those who are just watching, this is the Jira I'm working on, SAC 47013. So I will, if all goes well, I may see a record in here with a tool ID of 1. I may be thinking, here we go. Or it'll blow up with a terrible error. So we'll reload it just for yucks. And we're going to pick a tool. And we're going to get ready and press update options required field. Oh. Awesome. I want to I love it when the first thing that happens is an error. So I'm going to fix this error later, but for now, why the hell? Oh, I know what happened here. Wait a sec. What are we doing? Oh no, it's insert tool contents doing all this inheriting crap. Okay, I gotta go back to the other way, and that's why they changed it. Let's do some undoing. Wait, no. I'll fix that later. I want to have an error. Look at that. If there is an error, now I'm going to fix this error. I'm going to fix this error by fixing this back to being insert tool content, so I get all that nice inheritance that that Jen added back in 2012. But first, I've got a code that triggers an error, and so now at least I can run the error code and see this failure, which I should have put in. It's a Chuck's rule of thumb is like cause errors first, right? Cause errors early and often. No. What did I do wrong? 481. 481, go. Add alert. Oh, request. That was code from a different routine. So the calling sequence was different from that other. Oh, this code here is a velocity tool, and this code here is a JSR 168 tool. So just the utility stuff is a little bit different. Come on, baby. Compile. It compiles and it deploys. Here we go. Okay, let's reload. Let's do this. Let's pick this. We know this is going to have an error. We want to see that it has an error, and then we want to come back here and it shows me the error, which is what I wanted to see. Now we will fix the error. Okay, so this is insert tool content. So it's insert tool content. Insert tool content. So that goes well. That will actually insert it, and then, oh, actually this to do pretty soon that real work is done. I'm doing the real work. Okay. Do I do TDD the manual way? Yeah, you'd have to. So I got lots of unit tests. I find it difficult. In Sakai we don't have, in a sense, UI level unit tests frameworks that make my life easy, and so I tend when I'm creating UI, right, when I'm writing UI out, I have to hand test it. So I have to just be disciplined. If you were to watch me write code that is like in my unit tests, so I am crazy. Okay. I am crazy about unit tests when it comes to utility code, where I'm creating something that does something and it doesn't have like a whole bunch of like request response stuff like URLs, because we don't have a really good unit test framework that mocks up request response. And so I love unit tests, and I have extensive unit testing on anything that's a utility. And so what I tend to do is build stuff that doesn't have any dependence, build as much into utility classes that don't care about the request or response object. And I test the heck out of those things in unit tests. And then I try to make as simple as I can the UI code so that I can hand test the flows. And so the idea is, if there's some utility code that doesn't have anything to do with request response cycle, I test that, right? And then I have to hand test. And sometimes you'll see me do like Chaos Monkey style testing, where I I'll put a false in or a true in, and that's not great. And it would be great to do testing. Hey, I'm Z. So Django for everybody. Congratulations. I really, really like the Django for everybody class, and I think that one of the things that I've started to learn lately about the Django for everybody class is that the Django for everybody class has much more value beyond just I'm gonna go write Django. Django for everybody is really an outstanding study in object-oriented programming. I mean, I almost should just rename that dang class, object-oriented programming in Python using Django as the excuse. And I'm really beginning to love that material, because I just think that knowing object-oriented programming in a practical kind of real world, because the way we teach object-oriented programming in computer science is horrible, because we just say like, oh, let's make a pet. Let's extend a pet to make a cat that meows, and let's extend a pet to make a dog that barks. You're good on object-oriented programming. And the answer is that actually distracts you completely from the value of object-oriented programming. But I got to get to work here. I got to finish this up because I'm feeling close here to this code. I check the comments once in a great while, right? So I'm watching the stream and I'm watching the comments, and now you get like whatever. So I watch that stuff all the time. So not all the time. I mostly look at the comments when I'm compiling, and it takes a minute. But then I got a comment that's really cool. So where was I? I recompiled, I redeployed, and now what I think is going to happen is it's actually going to work. This code that I've been writing is going to work. And that's sort of sad and disappointing, but it's also exciting. So when I properly select it, it's going to come through here. It's not going to blow up, and it's going to insert the tool. Now I got to do more work here. There is still more work to do here, but I will have inserted it, and then I just have to do one more thing, like get the launch and stick it in a property, and I think I'm done now. But I like this because I can run it more than once because I'm not complete yet. Bam! So now I go over here in my database, and I'm gonna see it said retval 20. Well, that is the key we're talking about. Let's hit refresh, and look at that. Look at that. Now, how come it came back? Well, now it's confused. Oh, right. No, it did come back, and that's because I didn't tell it to go anywhere else. I mean, okay, I need to switch to the regular view, but it doesn't matter because I still have a property value I've got to set. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's so nice. I should git commit this right now, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I should get committed, but I'm not. I don't like getting too many dang commits. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to update it so that, not that one. Update it so that, cancel. Don't worry about that. Update it so that the right sort of link is showing up. Don't worry about that. It has to do with the fact that I went back to the master branch, and that plus thing is only in my plus branch. And so I should put a real tool in here. Yeah, let's put a real tool for grins in. Let's go put a tool in just so that I can do better testing. Cancel that. I don't want that. Oop. Let's go into LTI tools. Add a tool. Let's see. Let's add a. Let's go here. What's a fun thing? Okay, let's put my threaded discussion tool in. Tool URLs right there. Okay, so we are going to insert a tool. Heck, let's just make it an LTI 1.1 tool. Oh, LTI Advantage Auto Provision. Yeah, let's just do a 1.1 tool. What am I doing? The threaded discussion tool. Discuss. Discuss. This one can receive, to return, boom, 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 boom. Don't need any of that. So now, I think if I go in here, and I go into the web portlet, there should be tools. I just added an LTI tool. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. So I have a tool that's actually going to successfully launch. I can't update this one because there's this weird, I got to deal with the fact that some people may not want every instructor to be able to get access to this little dialog box. So I don't know. I'll have to argue with the rest of the people in the Sky community about that. But right now I'm making a new use case work. If you look at the Jira, I'll put that in the chat, the Jira in the chat. If you look at the Jira, I'm making a new use case. And so this is a use case where currently if you use it this way, it blows up with a null pointer exception. And so I guess I feel I have the right to fix the null pointer exception by adding useful functionality, which enables a whole different and new use case inside Sakai. And then later I can debate whether or not you can change the tool in a pre-config. This is what happens when you want to tweak the values of the tool once the tool has been placed and chosen. So I'm building a tool chooser here, and I'll just need to see if I could put a button here called choose different tool, but I'm going to guess that there are a bunch of system administrators of Sakai who will be grouchy at that. So I'm not going to make that yet. I'll make that a separate feature. Right now I'm just fixing a bug with a feature, replacing a null pointer exception with a screen that actually is going to accomplish something useful and enable a wonderful myriad of new use cases that I hadn't thought of back in 2012 when I wrote this code. So if I look at this code, if I take a git blame on this one, let's see when I wrote this. Yeah, so here I am writing this in 2011. Most of this code is me, 2011, and a bunch of friends of mine are fixing it in 2018, cleaning a few things up in 23, 2017. But if you go back, this is code I wrote in 2011. It's a long time ago. That's over a decade ago that I wrote that code. I didn't mean that. Come on. Boom. Let's go back. Okay, so now I'm going to go to that patch code that I did not write, but it's got some crazy crap in it that will probably be useful to me. Props.put. No. Placement config right there. I think that's my line. That's my line. Right there. That is my code. And that basically is configuring this portlet tool to have the thing that puts it. So that's a property. So here we go. Here comes the real work. We get along back if it's doing its right thing. Oops. It should either give me back a long or a string, but hey, we'll put that baby in there. Okay. Yeah, so we got to load the content object, and then we've got to get the content URL. That is unnecessary because this source is already blank, so we're going to get here. We are going to add an alert. We're going to have to internationalize these in a minute. Whoa, don't do that. This is unlikely, but we are going to add an alert. And some of you watching are like wizards in debuggers, and I'm just not, because I work on too much code. I mean, like all week I've been working on PHP, and then I switched to Java and then PHP, and I can't get damn debuggers set up well enough in all those environments. Okay. I think that's good. I think it's actually going to completely work now. Let's wipe this out of the database because we're going to delete this one. Whoa. Oh, okay, 19. Oh, bad news, bad news. What'd I do wrong? 48, 88. Compiled. We shall see if that means it works. It's entirely possible that it's going to work. I can't think of any code I'm missing, so it might just work. So we go into Edit. We choose a tool. And we save it. Oh, it was supposed to go back to view mode, so I do gotta do that. Frame Java. Got to switch to view mode. So portlets have edit modes enabled by this edit button, and then view mode. Bam! 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 I am so dang happy. But now when I go back, now how come it won't let me edit the title? Oh. That's because when I was here, I said, don't let the title be edited in that part. I'm so excited and coughing myself. Allow the title to be changed. Hello, dog. Roof. Yeah, they left you, didn't they? They left you. And it's just you and me. Roof. Here. Save that. Come up here. Can you come up here and get in my lap, even though you're way too big for that? Okay. You know I always do this. Your feet are dirty. Hi, dog. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. So what do you think of this code I got right here? What do you think of this code? See, I got some print statements in there. Do you like print statements? No, you don't like print statements. Okay. Ouch! You're too big to sit in my lap, but it's my fault anyways because I picked you up. That you're a good girl. Okay. Okay, now let's go back and test that. I just refreshed it. It automatically discuss 1, 2, 3. What happens when I do that? How come that didn't change it? That's not my bug. That is not my bug. That is someone else's bug. That is someone else's bug. Don't worry about that. Edit. Why is it not allowing me to update those options? Need to change that and that. Well, that's a bug I gotta figure out. That's a bug I gotta figure out. But my main work, content item URL is obviously great because that worked. Retval is obviously great. That is working. So now I gotta internationalize a couple of these strings. Almost gotta internationalize a couple of these strings. Boom. Okay, so where am I at? Oop, not there. I don't want to be there. Don't need that screen anymore. I don't need that screen anymore. So I can do a get status. And add some properties. Let's just call these guys. Please select a tool. Gotta make it so you can translate the stuff. Edit. Please.select equals please select a tool. And then I go, where is my resource bundle reader? rb.getString. be edit, please select. Oops. Oops, undo. Ah, shoot. Let's compile that. So this is where I gotta, if I want to really see those, I gotta put chaos monkeys in my code. So this would be nice if I had unit testing, but I don't, because now I can't cause the error. I guess I can get rid of the process action column. Where do I have debugs? Might as well get rid of that. Recompile while I'm trying to figure out how to reload this. Hey, what happens if I just chaos monkey here? I just chaos monkeyed there. I just blew it up. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. That's a good chaos monkey test. Just blow that thing up and see what happens. Oh yeah, do view, what happened there? Null pointer exception. We better go fix that one. Line 196. 196G. Content is still null. Oh, let the NPE happen. Maybe they should put the letter V in there. Wait a second, what just happened? What the hell? It threw an exception that they wanted to throw on purpose. Through an exception that they wanted to throw on, the people who wrote that other code wanted to throw on purpose. But like my code's functioning, this is like mad because it's not right. And then I can, but it accomplishes what I wanted to accomplish. And that is I wanted to put that guy in there. Okay. But I haven't chaos monkeyed my errors yet. So let's wipe this guy out. Oh, reload. Let's wipe this guy out to cause chaos inside my code. And then I'm going to put some chaos monkey in. I hate putting chaos monkey code in because then I'll leave it in, screw up and leave it in. So I have to stay concentrated and just do chaos monkey code and blow up. At least I just want to see those messages so I know that I didn't make a typo between the Java code and the properties file. Okay. So that one comes out okay. Let's be successful. No! Which one came out? Which one came out? Do chooses not no. Tool ID. Oh shit. Can't even chaos monkey right. That's the problem with chaos monkey as testing regime. I gotta mess that up again by deleting the thing from the database. Okay, mess it up again so I can reach my reconfiguration upon error. So let's cause this one to happen. That should be my chaos monkey. Please select. Yep, that's what I want. So I can trigger that one in lots of situations. Next chaos monkey test. Bam, bam. I am doing well. Doing well. I check the comments while I'm compiling something. I'm doing well. So I catch up and do the comments. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Redeploy. Come on, be redeployed. Okay. Now I should be doing a discuss, and this ought to blow up with an error because of chaos monkey. Alert unable to, so time to take the chaos monkey out. I think I have, yeah, that one I don't have the chaos monkey. And shit. Okay, so I got my stuff translated. Now the only remaining bug is not pretty. The only remaining bug is, should work. The only remaining bug now is the fact that I cannot change this. What is going wrong? What's going wrong? Process, action, edit. It is actually down here. Here we go. What am I talking about here? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Check something really quick. Did it just now start working? Bam! Oh. That's not good. Okay, let's do this. Let's triple check because you actually have to give Sakai permission to change the title. Allow the title, allow the button text to be changed. Allow that to be changed, allow that to be changed. Yes, save. And then I gotta look at this link. I gotta see, edit. Dang it. Why? Okay, so I'm gonna guess those things are all right. Why? Why? This is how I write code when I'm like totally lost. Do we have to set the placement? But I don't get it. This other one works. Let's take a look here at this content item. Is there any allow in here? Nope. Nope, there's no allow there. Allow is on the tool. I'm glad about that. Title, page title. Yep. So that's interesting. Let's go find tool ID 4. Allow page title. So that's a 1. Allow launch. Allow secret. Heck is allow title add. Oh, allow title is a 1. What am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong? Yeah, looks like it's doing the exact same thing. It just is not accomplishing anything. It's just not accomplishing anything. Just not, and it's the same code. It's the same code. It's the same code. Same code. What do I got here? Get containing page. Okay, hi there. Mercury, what did I get? Containing page. custom title. Site page custom title false. What the hell? Ha! That's it. That is it. That is it. How the hell? Containing. You son of a peach. Where am I at? Yeah, not mad. Get containing page right there. Site page. It's the class site page. Sorry. Get excited. Let's see what I get in this API. This will be where I set title custom. Bam! True if custom page title, otherwise false. I got you fixed. Just in case. Cannot be defeated in code. I cannot be defeated. Now, I gotta go into the administrator user. Okay, let's recompile that to make sure. Oh. There we go. Let's put this way over here. So compile this. Then turn that little property off. This feat is so powerful. It's super powerful, and I'm not capable of, well. Save, agree. Okay, so we're done. Back to Mercury. Custom title is not turned on, and so it went back to that. But if all goes well, we will edit this and and save it. And it will change because I set custom title. Okay, set custom title. Yeah. Oh, there's always a way. There's always a way. And I'm out of coffee. There's always a way. Okay. Time to delete those print statements. I guess I should compile it. My brain, I'm just like, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. Hey, Sam. I'm glad you're taking Py4E. It was recently rated the most popular Python course of all time at Class Central, so I'm pretty excited about that. My goal with Py4E is to teach you, my goal in life is no longer to be not just to be the most popular beginning Python course in the world, but instead to have a whole series of courses that take you all the way to your first job, including an internship. And so I'm working on that. So Sam, if you take Python for everybody, Django for everybody, Postgres for everybody, web applications for everybody, you may think that you don't want to work in any of those fields, but what they do is they make you stronger and stronger all the time. They make you stronger and stronger. Oh, hey, let me check something real quick. Wow. Wish that would come up on the other screen, but hey, can't have everything. Today, Monday. So here's an interesting thing. So hi everybody. So I will be live. Let me show the day. So I will be live Monday, March 7th from 10 to noon out of the UMSI studio. I will be live Monday, March 7th at 10 a.m. from the UMISH studios at that URL. So if you go to that URL, you will see that it's a countdown. It's a countdown live in 45 hours. So feel free to come back. I got to send email to all my students in the classes. It's my replacement for my office hours from around the world. Before COVID, I used to go all over the world and meet my students. This is a map of the world. So this is where I go to my office hours. That's Eastern time zone, Sam. Yeah. So I used to do this. And COVID is becoming manageable. And so if COVID's going to be manageable, I'll be traveling again. I think that I'm planning my first trip. It might include Amsterdam, Spain, and Switzerland. Yeah, you can attend. That Sam Hodge, that time zone, that URL is just public. It's not just for the class. It's absolutely public. That URL, where was I? Here. This URL here. Yeah, this URL is public. Anybody can watch it. And I won't be coding in that one unless people ask me questions about coding. So that's Michigan Online. That's kind of an official thing. This is just me hacking on a weekend on a bit of Sakai code. But I have it working. Let's do a git diff. See what I got. In case we need a tool picker, that's... So I need to fix a thing here. Oh, man. CD beta LTI minus NRVim. What? There has got to be. What the heck is that darn Vim comment? Or no ET. No. Vim 4 settings. Are you kidding me? There's got to be a... Where am I? Grab under center Vim. Star. No, I don't want that. Where in the hell? How come I don't have a Vim in that? Okay. What is mine? Oh, my favorite Vim thing. How come? How come my Vim no ET is not here? Oh, because it's on a branch. That's it. It's on a branch. Man, oh man. I can't find my dang own Vim thing. I thought that was going to be easy. I think it's no ET. TS equals 4. Sam, I do want to come to Ghana because we have a university in Ghana that uses Sakai. So I've been wanting to come. I want to come to sub-Saharan Africa. I've been to South Africa, but not sub-Saharan Africa. And I've got some friends. I've got increasing numbers of friends in sub-Saharan Africa, and so that would be really nice. Okay, set no ET. So I gotta go. Okay. So I was doing a get diff, and I was all freaked out because this doesn't line up. That means I got some spaces thing. Some spaces stuff. Hi, Patrick. So now I got to do get diff. So part of my workflow is to just stare at the get diff over and over and over again. And just remember everything that I did. Check if I got any weird comments in there. Check if I've left any chaos monkey in there. Remember why I moved that up. You know, just all kinds of stuff. Set title custom. That took me like 20 minutes to figure out what I had to do there. But I won. And then Vim set no ET tab stops equals 4. and then one last compile to make sure that it works. And then it's time for me to bug out. I've been streaming for an hour and 41. It's good. I wish I'll stream more. I gotta learn how to stream when I'm confused. I tend not to if I'm totally stuck, and I bet that's very useful to talk with you all the way through as I stream confused. Well, I'm coding and I'm confused and using Stack Overflow and end up with 40 tabs across the top trying to debug some dumb thing. I mean, I did do that a little bit when I ran into the Commons Lang 3 math stuff and figured that out. So, but I think that I'm going to thank you all for watching for a whole hour and 43, and I will see you Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern. And I'll put the live URL for Monday 10 a.m. Eastern in the description of this. So, yeah. Cheers, everybody.